Welcome back, guys. Back at again on Kevin's lime green NSX that's getting painted. Round 3 here at Seaworks at Dawes Shop. Let's do some review. So what we're looking at this time around is the car's been fully stripped down and been sanded, and looks like it's been taped up all around and going in for primer. All the pieces are off. You know, they had to remove the door panels to get into all the pieces, to get into these pieces, and like the door handle and stuff. The mirror's out. But it's looking good, guys. These cars are getting worked on too. This is an old school Lexus GS with a little wide fender, wide body. Dawes paint booth. Man in there doing his thing.
Hello guys, welcome back to Kevin Cars Part 3. So right now we're getting all wrapped up with primer. As you can see, you know, we just have to mask a little bit more, and then we'll
a little bit more masking, yeah, on this side.
More masking. I will do the rest inside the spray booth. See, you know, everything's coming out really nice.
Oh, this side's already all masked up.
All masked up, so
it's looking really smooth.
yes.
You guys did
Yeah, we feathered out all, you know, all the rough edge and everything.
Yeah.
Make it all smooth.
ready to go.
Yeah, so after we put on a couple coats of primer, we'll block everything back out, and we'll see where we go from there. But
Yeah.
overall, the body and everything looks really
Looking
straight.
smooth and straight.
Yes, looking very smooth and straight, so I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
Yes.
For sure. And then and these pieces on the bottom here. So what's up with these pieces on the bottom?
On the bottom is the bracket for the lower side.
Oh yeah, for the bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
And is that gonna get repainted, or is he
Yes.
gonna put new ones on?
Yeah, so we're gonna get we are going to paint it, and whether we want to get a new one
Uh-huh.
or whatever, so we will get it ready.
Sure.
Yes.
And it's already sanded down.
Yes.
Let's go take a look.
Yes. So we have,
Oh, this is his front bumper.
yes, this is from bumper and all other pieces.
All the other pieces on the NSX.
Yeah, all the knickknacks.
So these are all the side vents,
Sides,
the headlights, spats.
Yes.
It's called spats.
Uh-huh.
And it's gonna get sanded down and put it on.
Hi, Kevin.
What's up, dude?
Yes. Hi,
What's
Kevin,
up?
how
We're
are
doing
you?
a video.
Yes.
So there was the screws right there. How did you get that screw out?
Actually, let's see. So, once the bumper is off,
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so you took off the bumper and you
Yes.
get the screw out.
Yes,
That was the
yes.
easier way. The
Yes.
whole bottom here had to come off.
yes, this whole bottom.
So it was easier to take that off after this
Yes.
comes off.
Yes.
Got it. Got it.
Yes.
Wow, this guy's serious, huh? Look,
Wow, yes.
you want to fucking party.
Yes. Oh, wow.
What? Man, Kevin, this is the owner of the NSX. He's the owner. He brought a party in here.
Wow, party.
Yeah, we're gonna get drunk and then spray paint the car while we're getting drunk.
You guys coming
Looking good there.
pretty soon.
Maybe another 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, 2-3 weeks.
A day in the life here at SeaWorks. Until next time, you guys. Peace.